When you put your hand in my jacket, I'm thinking so irrational. You flew me international now. And we can spend hours reading the signals, but that's so unoriginal. What if we took this back to my house? Under all these lights, I gotta take a minute to calm down. But I feel like if I told you I was ready right this minute, do you think that it would turn you on? I just feel like you need to know. If I told you I was ready.
We are in Morong.
Nagbalayong.
In where?
Nagbalayong. Barangay Nagbalayong.
Nagbalayong. Morong.
Bataan.
In Bataan. Yeah, we're not too far from Subic. This is a pretty good drive, about an hour and 15 minutes from Balanga City. Very windy and up and down, but very beautiful. And we're here to see a friend today, and they wanted to do a little house tour. So I am going to turn it over to Jen and her and let y'all tour the house while Genesis eats snack food all afternoon. All right, y'all enjoy the tour.
Hi, Ate Lenie.
Hi, welcome to my home.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it.
You're the new MC, you got the remix. Keep it on repeat, just let the beat kick. Everywhere you go, you bring the roof down. Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Yeah, you like it, the way you like it. Oh, yeah, you like it, the way you like it now. Yeah, you like it, the way you like it. Oh, so good, so fresh. Get up on your feet. Show me you got soul. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Just the way you like it. So good, so fresh. Get up on your feet, this is a shakedown. This is a shakedown. Order up that beat just like it's takeout. Show me you got soul inside those new shoes, and you can rock and roll with an attitude. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it.
One piece. And then ito yung hocho. Beef hocho. Beef hocho and then yung salad. Hi, babe. Ito yung seafood. Seafood hocho. Yeah.
Everybody knows you got your own sound. So good, so fresh, just the way you like it. Just the way you like it.
This was a Vietnamese community. During the Vietnam War, I guess they made it over here from Vietnam. I'm not sure how. I'm not sure if Americans got them here or if they came by boat, but I need to study that. Anyway, they settled them here, and they were here for a while until they went to the U.S. And they have temples back here, and of incredible infrastructure, even better than some parts of the Philippines that I've seen. They've got water and commercial power and temples, and this is I'm not sure, this is definitely Vietnamese language, I think. Tieu-an. I think this is interesting to see the swastika, but I do know the swastika means other things in other cultures. So I'm pretty sure that has nothing to do with Nazi Germany. But let's go in and see. These are some of their religious statues, and they've got a couple of temples in here. But what an incredibly beautiful place. But there's nobody here. This place is empty now. Looks like a Buddhist temple, if I'm not mistaken, over there. Incredible views.
Hi, sexy!
Welcome to the Vietnamese town here in Morong Town.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we grow, I'll keep running till I can no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away. Yeah. You'll always be my heart, my life. Every second, every day.
The good, the bad, the Philippines.